Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 145 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, lam is short. The sound is short. Wa la, in for kasra, hamza should be very much sharp. The sound should be from your lower part of your throat. And for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Wala in for hamza, the sound should be very sharp. It should be pinchy, pointed to your ears. It should give you an uncomfortable feeling. Yes, this is that sharp. Tay for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ya. This is lean, and lean will get this will be 2 counts long and should be soft. Tay ta. Tell for fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Tell la. For fatha is short. The 2 counts long because it matches this combination. Ya sakina, before ya sakina there is kasra. The na is short. 2 counts long because wow sakina there is dhamma before it, and this should be 2 counts long. Tool, but this is not anymore long because this is being attached with lam, and lam will get sifa tawassut. Tool, tool, ki. Kaf is light letter. For kasra, give e sound. The sound should be short. Ki. Ta is 2 counts long because we treat this standing fatha just as a big alif. So if you wanted to write it in another way, you can write it like ba, sorry, ta, kitaba. Ba is short. B for kasra, give e sound. The sound should be very short. B. Kul for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam, and lam has a kasra on it. So give e sound. Kulli, li. The sound is short. Again, hamza is a sharp sound. It should be a very pinchy sound to your ear. 2 counts long. Yeah, short. Why this is 2 counts long? Because it matches this first combination. Alif sakna, before alif sakna there is fatha. Look, there is alif sakna, before alif sakna there is fatha. So yeah is short. Team for kasra, give e sound attached with meme. This is idgham with gunna. So you are merging the sound of the meen into meme and keeping the sound in your nose. This is why it is called idgham, merging, and with gunna, idgham with gunna, because we are keeping the sound in our nose. Ayatim, then there is gunna, and then it is 2 counts long. 2 counts long. Ta, short. B for kasra, give e sound. Ru, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips very well. Ma tabi'u. Qib, Qaf is heavy, the sound should be heavy, and then it will be attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qibla, la is short. Tak for fatha, open your jaws, and then attach with we are giving sukoon because we are making waqf over here. We are stopping over here, so we'll give sukoon, and with sukoon, kaf will get sifa of hams. Qiblatak. This sound is hams. Qiblatak. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Jaiz. Wa ma. Again, this hamza should be very much separate from your alif. It shouldn't merge in. These are 2 different things. Wa ma is separate, and hamza is a very sharp and separate sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with noon. And this is ikhfa and light ikhfa. What you are doing, you are hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta and keeping sound in your nose. Ta for fatha, open your jaws. B for kasra, give e sound. Ta, two counts long. Pita, B for kasra, give e sound. Ring, idgham, and ikhfa. And this ikhfa is a heavy ikhfa because qaf is a heavy letter. Being, you are hiding the sound of the neen. You are going towards the makhraj of qaf and keeping sound in your nose. Being qib for qaf is heavy, and for ba you are giving qalqala. قبلة, la is short, ta is short. قبلة hum for the circle your lips attached with meme, and we will get sifa of tawassut. قبلتهم و for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws. Ma, two counts long. وما ba for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. بعض for dhamma, circle your lips. Hum, this is it. إخفاء شفوي, because whenever you find ba after meme sakin, you will make it ikhfa. You will hide the sound of meme. Hum bi for kasra, give e sound. Ta, two comes long. This because this matches the first combination of sakina. Before alif sakina is fatha. Ta bi for kasra, give e sound. The ain should be from your throat. This is ikhfa, heavy, but this is heavy ikhfa. You're keeping the sound in your nose. Bi'in qib. For kasra, give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qibla, la is short, ta is short. Qiblata ba'd. And the ain will be from your throat, and it will get sifa of the wasut, and dod will get sifa of rakha because you are giving sukoon, because we are stopping at the end. Ba'd, ba'd. Ain will not be long, but you will give tawassut. Ba'd, ba'd. وما بعضهم بتابع قبلة بعض. And God will get sifa of rakhawa and istiqala. Wa for wow, circle your lips, for open your jaws. La, wala, e. Nitta for kasra, give e sound attached with ta. Wala, e, nitta. Fatha is short, the sound is very short. Ba for fatha, open your jaws, attached with the ain, and ain will get sifa of tawassut. Ba'ta for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Wala, e, nitta, ba'ta. For fatha, open your jaws, and hamza should be very sharp sound. And ha will get sifa of raqawa. The sound should flow very well. Wa is 4 counts long, because this is mad muttasil wajib. Wa should be very much separate and very clear. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips, and this is idgham with gunna. No, sorry, this is idgham shafawi. Meme after meme. Hum. You're keeping the sound in your nose. Idgham shafawi. Hum, meme. Then for kasra, give e sound and attach with meme. This is iqlab after noon sakin. If you find harfe ba, you will change the sound of noon into meme. Meme ba. For fatha, open your jaws. For ain, you will give sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ain should be from your throat. Ba'di for kasra, give e sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ja, 4 counts long, because this is mad muttasil wajib. Ja'a. Ja is separate, alif is separate, hamza is separate. You shouldn't merge in these two sounds, because it should be very much clear and separate. Ja'a, ka is short. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Nal for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow sound. Minal, ilm. Ain from your throat for kasra, give E sound. Attached with lam. Ilmi for kasra, give E sound. Ilmi. In for kasra, give E sound. Hamza should be from your throat. The sound should be very sharp. In, and give gunna on noon. Noon and meen are the letters. Whenever these are with tashdid, we'll get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal gunna. The sound should be in your nose for a longer period of time. In for fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. Now for fatha, ka, innaka. E for kasra, give E sound. Dhal, this is idgham without gunna. You're merging the sound of tanween into lam, but the sound shouldn't go in your nose. Idhal, la for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Me for kasra, give E sound. Now for fatha, open your jaws, attached with dua. Dua will get rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. Mina, this sound should be there for dha, and dha is a heavy letter too. Mina dhali, for li is short. Me will be 4 counts long. Why? Because you are stopping here over here. This is a stop sign. So you are giving back. So you will give sukoon at the end. This temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and this is called mad arid li sukoon. Innaka idhan lamina adh-dhalimin. وَلَئِنِ اتَّبَعْتَ أَهْوَاءَهُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ إِنَّكَ إِذًا لَمِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. And you will give tawassul at the end when you will give sukoon on noon. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.